In Cubase 15, you get Yamaha's Omnivocal, which is a vocal synth currently in beta version. For me personally, at this moment in time, I'm less interested in using tools like this for things like a lead vocal. I can see it for songwriters if you don't have a demo singer and you don't want to sing it yourself. Perfect. What excites me more though is to use this as a producer. If you're making a beat that's gonna have an artist on it, but you're adding some vocal chops, or you're making a mostly instrumental track that does have a little vocal sample going on, in those cases, maybe you don't want to use a sample pack that everyone else is using. You want something unique, or maybe you don't want to deal with licenses like splice loops, or you don't want to do splits if it's not royalty free. In all of those cases, a vocal synth is a great tool, especially if they're going to keep evolving and they're going to sound better and better. So after all this yapping, let me show you what I mean. Example 1, I have some drill music. So let's write a regular top line to it. Told her I'll be back in 5. Ended up gone all night. Don't know what's wrong or right. I never chose this life. So Omnivocal is just like a regular synth. You have MIDI notes to make your melody, but when you click one, you get a little text box. If you don't type anything, it'll go ah. So let's input my lyrics. I have noticed that sometimes you have to be a little creative to get the sound you want. I am going to pitch it up here so we can pitch it down in a moment, because that's going to sound different than if I just let him sing it lower now. Render in place because I want the audio.
Told her I'll be back in 5. Ended up gone all night. Don't know what's wrong or right. I chose this life.
Now this bloke sounds a little too proper for a drill beat. So we're gonna mess him up a little bit. I need it to be more of a mumble that I can tuck away in the beat, if you know what I'm saying. Okay, I tried some stuff. So this is the plugin chain that I have now. Auto-tune to make it blend a little better. If you're going to use a vocal as part of the music, almost like an instrument, it has to be on pitch. And Omnivocal, surprisingly, isn't robotic enough. So we had auto-tune, EQ, compression, pitch shift, flanger for some movement, de-esser, and then some delay and reverb. So now we have this. And if you add some vocals.
Smoke up, that's in the blem. Free up the guys, then dip out the ends. Jump in the ride, then burn out the rims. Don't stop, don't touch the boy, I'm at end. Now he's on the block, could he up for events? Skin kept close, cause he plotting on them with the tints on 10. Batch in the back, that's on tap.
And then this could be a little outro. Well, I like it. Example 2, a little bit of soul music. For this one, I want to make some fake vocal chops, like you took them from a record. I'm going to write the vocal to a slowed down version. We'll use the female voice for this one. And this is what I was saying before. So I have this.
Baby, I only want you.
For baby, I have bay and then B to get the timing right. And I only want, I have own and Lee.
Baby, I only want you.
And it sounds a little weird, but the way I'm going to use this one, it doesn't matter. Bring it down a couple notes because we want to pitch it up. and then speed it up with the time stretch tool and pitch it back up. Formant a little bit. The music is a little more laid back, so warp this a little and get the breathing out of it. And with a vocal,
I don't wanna fight no more, no. I just wanna be with you on tour. I mean that, yeah. I mean that, yeah. Don't wanna fight no more, no. I just wanna be with you on tour. Puppy, I mean that, yeah. I mean that.
okay. Next, let's do some real chops to this. I wrote a regular top line to this.
We don't talk about it. You're so undecided. Now you're on your own. Yeah.
The way this sounds right now doesn't matter. I'm gonna drag the rendered audio into a sampler track, slice it, and now I can play the chops. Really simple effects. I could do so much with this, but you know, it's just to give you an idea, so. I think out of the three, this type of thing works best with Omnivocal. You don't need a real voice for this. Let's do one more, just a clean vocal over this. You can pitch bend it, but I don't know if I'm doing it right.
With me. Ooh, say you want to come with me. Ooh, just one look and we can leave.
For that last part, we're going to do some old-fashioned sidechain compression. Let's hear it.
Ooh, say you want to come with me. Ooh, just one look and we can leave.
I could do so many more examples because this is actually really fun to mess around with. So yeah, let me know how you use Omnivocal if you use it. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time.